Hello everyone, today we are going to go over the Do Not Contact list in DialMyCalls. To get to your Do Not Contact list, click on Settings and then DNC List. From here you will be able to control who is opted out of receiving text messages and phone calls from your DialMyCalls account. To add a new number to your Do Not Contact list, click on Add Number, select Calls, Text, or both, and then select the contact to add. That contact will no longer receive calls and/or texts from your DialMyCalls account. You can also add contacts to the Do Not Contact list directly from the Contacts page. Click on Contacts and then select the contact or contacts you want to add to the Do Not Contact list. You will see the option to add it right next to the Add to Group option. Contacts that are on your Do Not Contact list will automatically be skipped when sending out broadcasts. That wraps up our video on the Do Not Contact list from within your DialMyCalls account. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.